Hi everyone, I have a good news for the Rode Wireless Go-To user. Up until recently, we need a separate patch cable, that is TRRS to TRRS cable, to connect Rode Wireless Go-To with our computer. But we don't need this cable anymore. So good news, right? In the past, we cannot use Rode Connect software with our Rode Wireless Go-To. Recently, Rode launched a firmware update for Rode Wireless Go-To. And now we can use Rode Connect software with our Rode Wireless Go-To. So today I am going to show three things. First, I will show how we can install Rode Connect software on our computer. So second, I will show you how we can connect Rode transmitter with Rode Connect software. Third, I will show you the process of recording the voice. First, we need to download the Rode Connect software from their official website. I will provide the link in the description. Now I am downloading the software. First, I will need to choose the operating system. Then I will need to provide email address. Let's hit download. Now I will need to unzip this installer. I am using 7-zip to unzip this. So extract files. Now I am installing the Rode Connect software. Now it is computing the space requirements. I need to wait. I am clicking on the next to start the setup process, accepting the license agreement. I am installing the software in the default location. Clicking on the next. Now I am clicking on install. It will take some time. I'll get back after finishing the installation. The setup has been completed. Now I can select the launch Rode Connect and then click on finish. When we are going to open the Rode Connect software for the first time, we are going to see this message. First, we need to click on this Get Started button. Now we need to turn on our Rode receiver. Then we need to connect the Rode receiver with our computer using Type-C cable. As soon as we connect the Rode receiver with the computer, we are seeing that two of the transmitter TX1 and TX2 is visible here. Now we need to drag this to any of the microphone options. I am choosing 1 and 2. Now we are moving TX1 in number 1 microphone position and we are moving TX2 in the second microphone position. Now we are clicking on the next. For both the receiver and transmitters, I have already installed the updated firmware. For your case, it may ask to download and install the firmwares for those receivers and transmitters. I am clicking on next. There is an option to add virtual channel. So now I am just dragging those two in 1 and 2 position. Now I am clicking on the next button. So it's done. Now I am going to show you how we can record the voice during recording the screen. We need to turn on our transmitters. So as soon as I turn on, it is showing here. I have just turned off one of the transmitter and it is showing just only one transmitter. For this screen recording purpose, I will just need one transmitter. So let me show you something. When we have installed Rode Connect software, it installed a Rode Connect virtual audio driver. So we will use this audio driver and record our voice. I use this OBS software to record screen. Now we need to make changes in our microphone settings. We need to go to the properties. Here we need to select Stream Input Rode Connect. Now I am just recording using the Rode transmitter. In the past, we need to use a separate cable to connect with the laptop, that is TRX to TRRX cable. But now, as Rode Connect software is compatible with Rode Wireless Go, so we don't need that cable and we can record our voice wirelessly. So if you have any queries regarding the setup process, please let me know in the comment. I will definitely reply. So thank you for watching.